So that's the fish.
Yep. That's the fish. Okay.
Yeah, next the lobster.
Here's the lobster.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, great. And then we have,
The squid.
okay, then we have the squid. Okay, and finally we have snail.
Snails.
Alright, great. And then the seaweed.
Our drinks are here. So I've ordered an iced limau and Shabir has ordered a limau syrup.
Our dinner is here. So we have the lobster in butter sauce, the fried squid, fish sweet and sour, a portion of barbecued snails, and seaweed salad. We are in the night market, in the center of it, the thick of it. There are food options everywhere, all around, and also a sea of people. Little overwhelming, to be honest. We are just staying one road away from it, and it's quiet. We hear nothing there, and here this coming behind our hotel, and this is what is there. So it's definitely not something we expected. It's fun, it's nice. So we'll just walk along, find something that we would like to have, and have it. So we'll tell you what we are going to have, what we are having. We'll take you through it. So, oh, we don't need vegetarian, sorry.
Seafood, chicken,
We'll come back. Who is vegetarian?
General assumption, Indian means vegetarian.
So let's just walk around, grab something, and find a place to sit, and we'll chat with you again. So that's our coconut ice cream, and we topped up with some passion fruit and red bean toppings, and of course peanuts.
So let's do a taste test. Take a bit of everything. So I have like all the toppings here right now. Oh, the red bean one. Okay. Yep. So there's that passion fruit, red bean and peanuts. Oh wow. So amazing, it's very refreshing. The passion fruit one just, it just bursts in your mouth and there's a sea of flavor. It's quite amazing. Very refreshing. Very nice. We've had the bingsu dessert, which was like 14 ringgit. Now, I usually take up the 100 ringgit challenge. Let's try that. But today we're having small bites because we had lunch quite late at the airport, so not really hungry. So we're having small bites. So I think we can do the 100 ringgit challenge this time. So we've had the dessert, which is 14 ringgit. Now let's see what looks interesting. Well, since it's the capital, we are seeing obviously things are much more expensive than what it was at KK and Sandakan. Because street food stuff over they were much cheaper. Like that juice was what, for two it was 6 ringgit or something, but here just one cup of juice is like 10 ringgit, so it's way more costly. But yeah, that's the capital, so can't really compare much. Hi. Okay, so there's different kind of juice here. Mango, dragon, boba and milk. Yeah. One of those? One. Yep. Okay, so one of these, please. Quite interesting flavors here. So there's like, I can taste dragon fruit, I can taste mango. The boba has not come up yet, and the straw is not going in anymore. So yeah, it's nice. It's quite refreshing. Though I would have liked it a bit sweeter. So, but it's a little watery. But yeah, good. Okay, so let's finish this. It looks quite huge. Let's finish this and let's see what we have next. So this was 12 ringgit. So 14 plus 12, that's 26 already. Yeah, let's walk with this. So there's this really nice decorations at the top, lit up with these candles, Chinese candles. Chinese lanterns. So yeah, it looks really nice. It has a very festive vibe, even though there's like no festival right now, but it has a very festive vibe to it. So it's a Friday today, but I don't know, I believe in such markets there's like a crowd every day, because and it's not only the tourists, everywhere you see there are locals as well. There's a very different vibe, as you can see. There's live music and people are just enjoying, and yeah, a great Friday night. We come to a new stall and we're getting the mango sticky rice.
Rice, mango, coconut milk.
One mango sticky rice. $15. We've got the mango sticky rice, and there's this coconut milk here. This is 15. So 26 plus 15. How much is that? Bad at maths. 41? Yep. So this is the rice. It's got a very sticky texture, and that's why it's called sticky rice. They showed it was pandan leaves. Rice with pandan leaves. This is the mango. So I'll have the mango now with the rice. I just wanted to taste how the rice was, because it's usually tastes really nice. Pick up a mango and some rice. Mango is a little raw. It tastes better with a bit of a sweeter mango, but it's okay. It's nice. It goes well with the rice and the coconut milk. So So we'll just finish this up. This was 15. So we've reached 41. Now let's see, we've seen some couple of interesting stuff on the way. So let's see what we have next. There's a dim sum place here. Let's grab some dim sum. Let's see.
What dim sum do you have? Chicken and prawn you have? Chicken prawn. This is prawn? That's chicken?
Yes.
This is fish? Oh, this is pork?
Yes.
This is? Fish and this is? Chicken, okay. So you give from chicken one or two of each?
Go here. Go here, Maka. Go here. Here.
Eat here.
Here.
Yep. Two of each?
Two of each.
Two of each.
Okay, and from fish also, one of each, please.
Fish.
One.
One of each.
One piece.
Okay. So here's our final plate of dim sums, and so this costed us how much? 24, and we were at 41 and 24, so it's 65. So we are currently at 65 ringgit, so we have 35 more to go.
So it's basically fish and chicken. So let's start with the chicken ones.
So these are chicken and these are fish.
These are fish. Yep. Okay. Here's some sauce. Nice. Not bad. Okay, let's try the other one. Whoops. Difficult to come off. Nice. I like this one better because the dumpling is a little thinner than this one. This one is a bit thicker. So I like the thinner coating in dumplings. It tastes better. Okay, this one, yeah, this is another chicken one. Those are nice. Thin texture, thin coat. Now let's try the fish one. Let's start with the round one. Nice. This is similar to the fish dumpling that was available at one of the buffet lunches that we had with Borneo Eco Tours. Tastes similar. The texture is very nice. Now this one, again fish. It tastes the same. Just the shape is different, but it tastes the same to me. Now this sausage looking one. Again tastes the same. All these three textures taste the same. this one. This is a different texture, as you can see. I like this texture. So the filling, as you can see, the inside is a similar structure to the ones that I tried before of the fish. But you know, there's this layer outside, the fried layer, which adds a nice crunch, and it tastes way better. I have a feeling this one tastes similar, but let's see. It's similar, but it's just a bit more chewy than the previous one I tried. Okay, last one. The texture is different here, as you can see. It's a bit wobbly, but this is crab meat, so you can see it's got this reddish texture inside. Let's try it. It's heavy. Yeah, it's crab. It's nice. It's quite nice. So we'll clear this up. We'll finish it up. And let's see what we try next, because we have 35 ringgits to go from the 100. Next stop, we've come to this fried ice cream stall. We'll just get one piece, I guess, yeah. One piece fried ice cream.
What flavor you want?
Okay, so there are these flavors here.
Let's go with something simple, which is vanilla.
Yeah. Vanilla.
Then maybe.
Okay. Okay, then one piece vanilla and one piece chocolate. So that's 7 ringgit each.
14.
So that's 14.
65 plus 14 is 79.
Take it out. Oh, I didn't get the ice cream. Wait. With vanilla, as you can see. The best part of fried ice cream is it's so hot outside, but the ice cream is there inside, so cool. There's this different, different things going on inside your mouth. It's hot and cool. Very interesting. It's a bit messy because the ice cream has melted. So next, let's do the next one. Okay. There's chocolate. The vanilla one is better because it's just the fried texture goes really well with vanilla ice cream. So I like the vanilla one better. was really, really messy. So we'll finish this off. So that brings us to 79 ringgits. We've come to a juice stall now, and this is the menu. So I've ordered a mango blended. So they're gonna blend the juice and with ice. Mango juice. He's making it. So I'm expecting it to have a slushy texture. Yeah, it's a slushy texture. It's really thick and nice. The mango is sweet. It's very refreshing. So yeah, let's finish this because it takes us time. It's quite a huge glass. But yep, let's finish this up. This was 8 ringgits. So 79 plus 8. How much does that bring us to? 87. 87.
Now the camera is back on me because there's something that I would be having which Farah wouldn't, and that is this generous portion of durian, and this costed us 40 ringgits. So we were at 87, so we have again crossed the 100 ringgit mark, but nevertheless this is the last thing that we have purchased. Farah is having a mango slushy that you saw previously, and I will be having the durian, and this is the last thing that we'll be having before we retire for the night. So okay, let's do a taste test. Alright, so okay, let me take one of the smaller pieces to start with. So here it is. Yeah, as creamy as it should be. There are two options, one bitter one and this sweeter one, so obviously I went for the sweeter one. It is quite creamy and pretty sweet. I don't know, people don't like the smell, but I love it somehow. So nothing much here. It's something that I've had before while in Singapore, and I'm happy to have it again.
So this is our room that we have checked into at Angun Boutique Hotel, which is located right at the heart of the city of Kuala Lumpur. So it's a small room, but it's got a very guest housey touch to it. So there's this window here which has a view of the backyard, and there are other rooms there, and then you can also see down. So it's got a very courtyard kind of a feel, and then there is a cupboard here, and then there's a bed, a table, and just some artwork.
The room is a mess because we are already rested.
Yeah, the room is a mess because we've had a long day and had to rest a bit. And that's it. There's the washroom here. I'm not opening and showing because it's a mess. But yeah, that's it. Small, nice, within the budget if you're in KL, and yeah, it's
the heart of the city.
Yeah, heart of the city, all the happening places around.
We're just looking for some of the best places to have roti canai, and so this is our hotel, and that's one of the best places to have roti canai.
The roti tissue.
Okay, and that's the roti tissue, and
This is the roti canai, and that's the chicken martaba.
alright.
Once you see, there it is. So once you come out of an exit, and and see the bunch of security there, you know that you've reached the right place. So there it is.
As many times as you see it in pictures, seeing it in person is obviously a different experience. Wonderful. Okay, so there it is.
If you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of our travel and food content. And I also have an active Instagram page, so go and follow there. Drop in any questions that you may have. So yeah, see you in the next vlog.